Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your channel lineup on Spectrum TV application in 2026. So if you want to customize your channels, update your favorites, or you recently changed your TV plan and the app isn't showing the right channels, this guide is going to help you out. So first of all, you need to understand one important thing. You can't manually add or remove the paid channels inside the Spectrum TV application. Your channel lineup is based on your Spectrum TV plan. So what you can change is you can basically change your favorite channels, how the channels are stored or displayed, or you can try updating the application if your plan recently changed. So in order to do it, you need to open the Spectrum TV application on your phone or on your TV. So once you open it, just make sure that you sign in your account if you haven't already. So when you sign in or log in into your account, simply look for the option of settings. In the settings, you just have to look for the option of channel lineup here from the left hand side. So over here, you can arrange the channel lineup. It is going to show you all of the channels that are basically included in your plan. You can make changes into the lineup of this very easily. So select the option of edit the channel lineup. After that, you can just simply drag and drop and start making changes into the lineup over here on this page. So once you are done, you just have to review your channel's lineup. Once everything looks correct to you, simply click on the option of save lineup in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. So this way you will be able to easily change and manage your channel lineup in Spectrum TV application in 2026. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.